What up, man? I know I might not look good. My nose running, all that. But it's Saturday. I'm about to get drunk. Just to feel something relieved. It's crazy the power alcohol gives us. Confidence, just, like stocks, like. Hold on, I'm gonna take you outside. The gate open, so I can't send you out right now. I don't know nobody trying to steal you again. But yeah, my brother just let me borrow this grinder. Tomorrow I'm gonna grind up the locks. This is a replacement lock right here. I'm gonna use this, cut up in there, and I should cut. I don't know where I'm gonna cut it. Oh, I still have to cut down here. I don't remember where to cut. You know. I'm gonna cut it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. Let me order 2 more. For my pop and my other machine. We was kings. Get your ass. Look at him. Trying to kill each other. He's spitting to him and he's spitting to him. Trying to suffocate each other. 2 times. You see me? Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Hey, tell me why it's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's really a bird. It's really a bird. Get it. Come here. This is the most fun he had all week. Yeah, it's a bird in my basement. A dead bird, a blue jay. It's not an ordinary little brown bird. Clean up this dog poop, put the trash on the curb, put the garbage night, and go get the dead bird, and then move these cars so I can start working on vending machines. So first, I need to I actually should do the vending machines first, but it's gonna kind of take me away from all this action I gotta do. Why you running? Why you running? Well, there's a lot of dogs out here. I'm not gonna find it. Shit up real quick. I would do a time lapse, but the camera about to die. messing with y'all? He like Leek y'all. I thought he was messing with y'all. We was kind. Bro, how? Where is Got it. Heads up. That means this must be a sign of good luck. I'll take this lock off. Ooh, that shit hot. Let's see if we got some money. Uh-oh. We got a couple. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 plus the one that's... Oh my God, y'all, we got money. Bro, we got some money. How the fuck do I open this? Bro, we got some money. Where the dollars at? Fuck that. Where the dollars at? We got a lot of quarters. Dude, this whole quarter, look, it says that's about $15 in quarters. $3 in nickels. Almost $8 in dimes. Dude, we up. We up. Ain't no telling what's in the other ones. When the dollars come in, where do the dollars go? They come in and then what? There's a straw in here. Somebody stuck a Capri Sun straw in here. Whoops. I done broke it. I gotta put a new screw on there. I mean, somebody was messing with it. Nothing the self-tapper won't fix. Can't fix. Bro, they ain't here? The dollars are here? Oh, ain't no dollars, y'all. Ain't no dollars. But quarters though. It's still some. We still up. We still up. We still up, y'all. I should take this back and bro, what? We are up. Okay, then Leek. Got them quarters. How I get them? We might just leave them in there, just because we gonna need some money to start anyway. We ain't gonna need no we ain't gonna need no dollar bills. We just need the dollar bills going here. I was hoping I came up on a dollar bill. Let me try to get the other ones open. What? Alright, I switched to my phone. Bro, what? All them quarters in there. That's just right there. That's just what I needed to see right there. That's exactly what I needed to see. And now I got 3 parts machine to get these in case these ones don't pan out. 3 parts machine back there. And then hopefully I can get those ones on. I'm ready to get the other one open, huh? Or should I change this lock first? Let's throw our change here. Get it. We good. And the other one needs one of these and this. But, you know, we're gonna figure it out. We got the manual. We got the manual. Snacks in it. Refreshment. National vendors. This right here. Step closer to financial freedom. It may not be a big step, but it's a step. All that matters is that first step. That's what they keep saying. It don't matter as long as you take that first step. Gum in here. I ain't never seen this vending machine with gum in it. There's some gum in here. People still eat gum, yes. I might have some snacks, some Debbie cakes, some chips, some brownies, some healthy snacks too. How these prices looking? I don't even think I'm gonna change these prices either. And the gum, I'm gonna make all the gum 25 cents. Ooh. And the man told me not to get into this. He said, I think you should wait. Like, what kind of advice you kind of get? What kind of advice is that? I think you should wait until next year. What kind of advice is that? He didn't want me to take his spot, because I asked him, because he worked at my job. He didn't want me to take his location. I'm like, how you find locations? I do it the old-fashioned. Yeah, it's cold out here. He's like, yeah, I do it the old-fashioned way. I'm like, bro, you can't just tell me how you get them? What is the old-fashioned way? You call around, or you go job to job, or you gotta be slanging snot. I'm a snot slanger. Or what? Like, what is the old-fashioned way? I had to buy a pallet jack to get these in here. Man, I should have vlogged that day. I mean, I did vlog that day. I should have vlogged and put them in here. That shit was hard as hell. Uh-oh, okay then, Leek. I need to move this car. It was loud. I was moving them in here like 8 o'clock, but it was dark because it's wintertime, you know that time. Shit was sliding around the truck. I had a truck for a day, and I moved all these by myself. Well, I moved them in the garage by myself. Loading them on the truck, the people who sold them to me helped. And they gave me advice. And they gave me their number, so I can call them and ask them stuff. I appreciate that. But that man ain't had to say, I do it the old-fashioned way. Maybe you should wait till next year. Like, bro, don't tell me. What kind of advice is that? Maybe you should wait till next year to get a vending machine. To get into the business. What? Why? I ain't about to. What kind of advice do you tell somebody to wait? Maybe you should wait. I can see maybe you should wait to save, but no, he said maybe you should wait. Yeah, I'll take all your routes. Just stop playing with me. But I ain't gonna do that though. I'm like, I started to be like, I don't want to step on your. I ain't stepping on your toes. But I want to get into vending machines too. Yeah, man, I think you should wait till next year. What? The business is slow, but so I think you should wait till next year. Man, no, I'm not waiting till next year. I'd rather get something than nothing. I'm so used to nothing that even if I got if I made one sale in this machine, I'm gonna feel accomplished. I need to get the garage ready. That just motivated me. Get my yard ready. Treat my dog better. Treat my family better. Because a lot of stuff men don't tell you. Men be facing the toughest. Look at our booger. We so programmed to where, okay, men are providers, and men supposed to do this, men supposed to do that. So men be stressed out and like, oh, I gotta get this. Oh, I ain't got this. Oh, I can't afford this. Oh, this, that, and the third. And we end up messed up. And, you know, we just end up messed up, so we end up taking it out on a loved one, the woman we love, our kids, our family. And I didn't want to be the one that took out how I feel on my family. Like, I didn't want to be like, oh, I gotta go to work. I got a great job, but it's not for me. It's not where I want to be. I want to live free. And that's probably about the best thing about this country is you can be free. That's probably and freedom ain't free. So it's hard work, grinding, dedication, all that. Freedom, that's what they say. Freedom ain't free. So is this the price I'm willing to make? Grinding for 6 to 12 months to change my life forever? Hell yeah. Finally got this open. I was waiting for the perfect weather. It's still cold. Well, fuck it. I'm out of. Sorry for my language, man. I'm just so excited. In my garage, man. Little garage. Little garage. And I got rid of my truck, so how the fuck I'm gonna get these into locations? Forget that truck. I'll never get that truck ever again. See, I gotta finish the gate. I gotta redo this garage. I want a garage door in here. I'm gonna insulate it, seal up all the cracks, waterproof it, patch up the ground. Yeah, so stay tuned, man. Leak 2 times, man. You see me it may seem small and minor to y'all, but this is huge to me. This is like groundbreaking. Like what? Like I made like so many accomplishments in the past 2 years. I came such a long way in the past 2 years that like my car got wrecked. If y'all can go back and watch the video, the 2020, the 4 quarters of the year, the 4 quarter videos, this car was wrecked. Whole side was gone. You can see the lines and shit still messed up, but maybe because I don't have a frame machine. I ain't had no help, no assistance. I ain't had nobody who knew a shop or anything. I just did it because you can do anything you put your mind to. And this right here, I motivated myself to, if I can do this, then what else can I do? And I moved on to something more challenging. Like the gate. I did the gate. This car, I rebuilt it. It was literally on the ground. This whole passenger side was gone. Like everything on the tires was gone. Gone, everything. The bumper, when I first seen it, the bumper was under the car. I should have recorded it all. This house, I own it. But nobody know I own the house. Ain't nobody knew I owned this house unless I tell them I own this house. Ain't nobody know I own this house. This concrete pad, paid for that. This other car, I got this, but I got that at the project. 6 vending machines. Lift gear encrusted. Now I'm about to get my cars and live my life how I want to live it. Okay, yeah, but now I'm living my life how I want to live it. And I hope y'all enjoy it. I really want y'all to enjoy it because I always wanted to be a YouTuber since I first got hooked to YouTube. I was like, it was like 07 or something. I was watching parodies and people just uploading any type of video, parodies and Fred and shit like that. Like, then my rock came out 2009, 2010. I was watching him heavy. And I had a tablet too, so I had one of the first tablets, and that tablet was ass. First tablet ever made. It was thick too. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Super excited. This is a good day. Birds watching. I want to have dirt bikes and go-karts and four-wheelers and monster trucks and garages and houses and properties and businesses and make my whole family rich and friends rich and peers rich and everybody eat. Even make the dog happy. Like, I be thinking like, man, I'm being mean to him. I got this open. I'm excited. Okay, y'all, we got the second one open. And so far, I don't have anything. I mean, it do got some. It got this change down here. Same like the other one, but a little less. Let's close this one up. All right, y'all, I'm on a couple, like 3%. I'm 2. Closing on here. Oh shit! Oops. Please use exact amount. I'm gonna say E7. It's $1. I'm trying to figure out how to change this lock on this vending machine. They work. I gotta see if that Coke machine works, but it's not easy to move like these are. It should be simple. Yeah, it should be simple. Since my GoPro died, I can't record and do it at the same time. And my camera upstairs on charge. So I think it's this 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. And 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is the magnetic. Alright, so remember 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright, so I'm on the third one. Goes like this. Take it out. Pull this off. And this should pop up. sir. And this too. I might take that one off. Take that screw off too. Screw in there. Which one though? I'm thinking this one. That's the Coke machine. Coke boy, baby. No, I'm playing. And these the candy machines. You don't want to know. I got 3 of these. About like $2.50. This dude, he had a lot of these. He was moving. I would have got more, but nah. I'm gonna try to get these in like some waiting rooms or something. And then I'm probably designing so if it's like a nice beauty salon or something, I'm gonna try to decorate them to where it matches the waiting room, you know, attire. But yeah, here's the lock I put on yesterday. Was that yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, cause I had to straighten up this garage. There's a lot of spiders in here, man. I wanna finish it, seal it up. But yeah, here we go. Yep. There we go. Push it back. Lock it. There we go. I should never drill this. I should never start drilling this one out. I should just see if the key worked first. Cause what if my key worked here? Oh, this key don't work for this. But I got the keys for these. And so I got 6 vending machines. Candy machine. I got all of this for like $2,100. But I got the vending machines. I got 6 vending machines for $1,900. Yeah, that's it. I just gotta now I just gotta clean them out and get them ready for locations. Paint them, detail clean it out, paint them, touch up the paint. Get a new light for it and learn how to work it overall. I get called out there like, yeah, the vending machine don't work. I'm like, oh. But fake it till you make it, I guess. But yeah, man, hope you all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so I can quit my job. Thanks for watching 2 times.